Bountiful pumpkin harvest. How to harvest pumpkin in the garden. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new here, please follow me so that you get updated with all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, it's October, it's pumpkin harvesting time, so grab your knife, your shear, like this, or any other tool that you want to use, and I'll show you how I harvest pumpkin and what you can do at this time of the year. So let's go. Let me show you what's going on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, there's a little bit of wind right now, as you can see. It's a little bit of wind blowing and the leaves are falling. So what we're gonna do is just go around. We have a few pumpkins over here, and I see some an animal is already eating my pumpkins right there. So what we're gonna do is, see this one, they're already chewing it. So we're gonna start, let's start with this one. So you can use a garden shear like this, and I just want to cut and give it enough space and give it handles so that you can easily pick it up with a hand like that. So that is one. So let's cut the other ones. This is a much smaller one. Same thing, just cut it like this. And some of the pumpkins that we're harvesting, we're gonna use some of them for seeds. We're gonna eat some of them, and we're gonna use some of them, the seeds that are inside, for next year, for growing next year. So we have some big ones over here. Same thing, just cut it like that. This one, something is started eating it. It's a big one over here. That's a tomato cage that fell over it. So we're just gonna cut these other ones. This one already came out. Let me just see how the tip is. Yep. So this one's, the tip came out already. So we got two. There's one more over here. So there's a couple of different varieties of pumpkins that we planted. So you're gonna see different varieties and different sizes. So this one is bad. It's already, you can see the side of it is already getting bad, but that's it. We don't need that one. We're just gonna cut this one. That's why you need a shear like this, or a scissors, or a good knife, so that you are able to easily separate them. The stems like that. I have another one over here. So you can see what I have over here. So I just go around harvesting the rest of the other ones, and then we can try to gather them and put them together. This is another one that we harvested. I cut this one like a week or so ago. Just didn't pick it up. Right there. So we're gonna go down over here, where we have a few more over here. So if you don't harvest it, you have animals can eat it, or it can get started, or it can start rotting out in the garden. So you want to harvest it and put it in a nice cool area that doesn't get a lot of either sunlight or need or huge temperature on the floor. In the basement is good to store it, and it can last for months. So I usually put it in the basement, on the bare floor in the basement where it's nice and cool, and we're able to save that for 3, 4, 5 months before we even eat some of them. Over here we have another one. This is a big one. You can see. So that is it. That's a big one right there. We have another one over here. We have a few over here. See this right here? Just cut it there like that. And this one, you can see this one's a different variety, different color. Different color from the other ones. So these are some smaller ones over here. Okay, I think that is it. I think we harvested it all. So what we're just gonna do now is just go around, pick everything up, and then bring it to our container where we're gonna take it home. So we have this last one right here. So since we have a lot of pumpkins, I'm just gonna put them in the wheelbarrow. That way it will be easy for me to take them home. So we're just gonna start at this end of the garden and just fill the pumpkins in the wheelbarrow so that we can take it to the to store it. If you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. You can also save it to watch later. Thank you so much. So there was a few of them that I missed, and I just grabbed them over there. So just quite a lot of pumpkins that all over the garden. Last year we didn't have that many pumpkins compared to this year, but there's a lot of pumpkins, and definitely we're gonna be able to get a lot of our seeds and also be able to eat some of them. But our favorite thing for pumpkin is the pumpkin leaves that we eat throughout the growing season. So the pumpkins themselves are just extra that we can eat later on. But the pumpkin leaves are the most important. We have as the pumpkin leaves, and we use it to make sauce and other sauce for food that we eat. So and they call it mchi, just in case you don't know. So there's quite a few of them in the back over there. So what I did this year was plant most of the pumpkins around the fence, so they were able to climb the fence over there and be able to spread around on the fence. So now we're gonna move it to the middle of the garden where we have the rest of the other pumpkins so that we can add the rest of them to it before we go to the other end, which is the front of the garden in front of the greenhouse. So let's grab these ones that we have over here, and then we can go and get the rest of them that are in the front. And like I said, we had quite a few pumpkins this year. So let me know in the comments below what you do with pumpkins, type of things that you do with pumpkins. I'm thinking of trying some different things with pumpkin this year. So let me know of any exciting thing that you do with pumpkins, so that way maybe I can try and see what I can do. I know I've seen quite a few different things that you can do with pumpkins. So this is what I've harvested so far in the garden. We have a few more in the garden. That's a few smaller ones, but this is our pumpkin harvest for the season. A lot of pumpkins, and definitely we're gonna try to see if we can get some of the seeds, save some of the seeds from these pumpkins, and then the ones that are still good and intact, we're gonna try to see if we can save them so that we can use them later on in the year or throughout the winter. But this is the pumpkins that we have, and it's a lot of pumpkins. Okay, if you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you are not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.